So Moody's on Friday, um, after the close of the bell, downgraded America's credit rating from AA1 to AAA. So it lowered it a notch, and that's pretty in line with the rest of the credit agency reporting.
Yeah.
So for people to understand, the government has credit rating just like you would have a credit score, right? Like, so you have different credit score agencies, like you have TransUnion, you have Equifax, you have these are people that actually give you 700, 650, 800, and then based off of your credit, that's going to determine if somebody feels confident lending you money or not, right?
Yeah.
Essentially the same thing for the for governments across the world, but the United States government has always had the highest level when it comes to credit rating. Now their credit actually, this isn't the first time that it actually got lowered, but they said that the reason why they did lower it was challenges tied to the federal government's growing budget deficit,
Hmm.
um, and other debts rolled over a period of high borrowing cost. I'm sure that there's some level of government instability in there and different things of that nature. So that affects the stock market. Obviously, that's not good for the market. That means that people have less confidence in the United States of America, and that's not good for a variety of different things. So, will this matter long term?
No. The thing that I do want to stress though is if you've been listening to Market Mondays the last 3 years, you've been hearing me screaming debt to GDP. And the bond market issue that no one really wants are bonds. I said it this weekend. The top companies that are doing incredibly well, you don't have to worry about them. I'm really getting concerned about the Russell 2000 or any mid-tier companies that are not performing incredibly well. Um, and truth be told, if we continue on this path, our credit rating should be lower than what we were given by Moody's. On the investment side, Moody's is actually a great company to invest in. Ticker MCO. It's one of those hidden gems like FICO
Mhm.
that people don't talk about enough. But Moody's is a good company to invest in long term. But I think we have something like, I don't know, $4 trillion that we need to refinance. It's a lot of capital, and I don't know what the terms of the refinancing is going to be, given what the rates are. So I'm not surprised that this downgrade, like Rashad said, this is not the first time it's been downgraded. But in the long history of the stock market, it's actually been a great time to buy the best companies in the world. So I wouldn't worry about it at all.
There's some rhetoric going around from political officials about the importance or significance of Moody's going forward. You got any thoughts on that? Like, should we even be using Moody's as a scale to measure the barometer of where the economy is?
Would it be at InvestFest? Or because that would Moody's, if you are, they have had a tumultuous past, I'll say, in how they've rated things in 2007, 2008. I will say that. So, but all the agencies are saying the same thing. Our credit isn't where, like, we're not loved how we used to be. I don't know how much more we need to belabor this point. So, and with that debt being so high, I don't see a plan in sight on how to correct it. There's a lot of entitlements that are owed. Debt to GDP continues to climb. I mean, in 4 years, we should be at 130. That's too high. But yeah, Moody has had some issues before in terms of how they rated things. But I think there may be some leadership issues at a few of these agencies that will determine where we rank. I think we should technically be lower.
Yeah, we went one notch down from AAA, which was the highest
Yeah,
rating. So we went one. There's 21 notches, and we just came down one.
yeah.
Like you said, overlasting debt, high interest rates. Where's Doge at, man? We need them.
No, they did Project 2025 right there.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
And that is a fact.
And the
Okay.
VIX barely moved off the news. It wasn't like the VIX shot up to 35 as a result. So
And,
it's
and
one of them slow news day kind of moves. Go ahead, Rashad.
speaking of crypto, if you are interested in Bitcoin cryptocurrency as a whole, learning about the difference between hot wallet, cold wallet, really, learning how to secure all of this stuff and detailed breakdown as far as because it is kind of complicated. what you should do is actually get your tickets to InvestFest, because
Mhm.
we will be going over crypto in depth. We got a few surprises for the crypto community, but cryptocurrency will be part of InvestFest for sure. InvestFest, the world's largest business festival, held in Atlanta, Georgia, August 22nd to August 24th. Get your tickets now. Go to
Yep.
investfest.com. If you are inside Red Panda, check Telegram for your discount code.
Yes,
We're weeks away. We're weeks away from announcing the first phase of the lineup, because the lineup comes in phases.
for sure.
So we're weeks
Despite
away.
what the internet may think.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
We're weeks away for announcing the first wave of InvestFest speakers.
A lot of calls.
Check your emails to see if
Mhm.
you have gotten the invite to speak.
Send in your bio, your picture.
Respectfully.
I didn't get my
Yeah.
email yet.
Respectfully.